Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back. Today we've got another Amazon wishlist unboxing, and this one feels like a diamond painting, and I know two have already been bought for me. Very exciting. So, because Dawn and Gelsby gave it away a bit, so let's see in here what we've got. It's actually quite funny because I've got another three and I don't know who's bought what, so I'm just hoping that there's a gift. Well, obviously, yeah, but I always get discombobulated, but I'm just hoping that there's a note that tells us who it's from. So in here we have, oh, it's a big one, it's a big one. Is it the, oh, we've got a slip, and there's no, that's interesting, there's no order note in there. Oh right, how weird. Okay, that's interesting. No. So I don't know who's got this, but oh, I know who it's from. This is the one from Dawn and Gelsby, and oh yes, you know I said that I wanted this Christmas one. Well, she only gone and done it. Look at this, guys. I think it's going to turn out a beauty, but it's a really big one. I'm venturing out to bigger sizes here. Oh, it's not actually that big. Wow. Oh yes. It's a little bit on the pixelated side. Good God. Okay, so this is a 60x30. You can just tell in my drop of voice there. We've got 27 colours. Look, they've even cut off half of the border. I've never seen that before, but that's half been cut off. Now, it's okay here, and then when it gets up to this part, I don't know what the hell all of this is. Up to there is perfect. So, but God knows what this is supposed to be. Obviously we've got a window there with curtains. Is that a dog or something? It looks like a figure of some sort. Obviously Santa's there reading his thing. I'm a little bit disappointed because it's pixelated. We don't know it's pixelated until we get it, so I'm still going to do it because I love it, but it's one of them ones we're going to have to wait and see how it turns out. I can't make head or tail of what that's supposed to be. If we look up here, again, it looks like it's a little dog sitting. Yeah, it looks like a piano or a dog, but you can't really see it in there. So I'm not going to lie, with my channel I give you positives, I give you negatives, even if it's like a PR or a gift, but I am disappointed with the way this has been designed. So yeah, we'll just have to see what we can do on that. But oh, such a good picture, spoiled by pixelation. But this is the old style, guys. The new style is so crystal clear in print. But thank you very much to Dawn and Gelsby. I know it's from Dawn and Gelsby because she told us on the live chat. But as I said, I am disappointed with how this is. It's perfect up there, as you can see. All lovely detail. And then as you get in the middle, it sort of drifts off. I mean, I think that's probably the nose of the dog, but it just looks a big clump. Well, we'll have to wait and see, but thank you very much, Dawn, for this. As I said, I'm not disappointed that you know, I'm not upset about the gift that you've got me. I'm upset with the fact that it's so pixelated. But as I said, we don't know it is pixelated until we open it. So we've got some baggies for Tessa. Oh, this one's nice. We've got a squashy in it. So, very lovely. So we've got that. And we'll get our package wheels here. So let's get into our package wheels and see what we got. So in here we have a white, probably a 3865. We got a brown, an orange, a red, a brown. Did you know it's been 2 weeks since I was last over here? I've just not had the time to come over, and I was like, I'm coming over today. I want my packages. So they've all gone to Chelmsford Christmas shopping, and I get to film this. So lovely, peace and quiet. Peach, pink, and then green, dark green, very lovely there. A blue, an orange, a brown, a purple, a blue, an orange, a grey, a blue, a yellow, an orange, a very bright yellow there. Woo! Might need sunglasses for that. Good God, it's giving me eye ache looking at that. It actually is. A sort of fruity, greeny colour, a brown, a green, a red, and 2 blacks. So very lovely there. As I said, I am a little bit disappointed that it is pixelated, but there's nothing we can do. We're just going to have to see what we can do. but you know, it's very, very frustrating, but we are still going to do it. You know, it's a gift, so I've got to do it. But I'm just wish that it was a crystal, you know, clear print. It's such a lovely picture as well. But anyway, thank you so much for this, Dawn. I really appreciate that, and you could have a gift coming your way very soon. Thank you very much for emailing me your address. I am sorting you out something, so stay tuned for more mail. I'll let you know when it's sent, and yeah, so please remember to like, share, subscribe, guys, and tap the bell. You'll be notified when a video pops up on the channel. And until next time, have a lovely rest of the day. Bye.